everyone, welcome to the Calabasas Library Story Time. My name is Sky and here goes our welcome song. Clap everybody and say hello. Clap everybody and say hello. Clap everybody and say hello no matter what a weather. Today I've got a really funny and silly book. This is called Roar of a Snore by Marcia Diane Arnold and published by Dial Books for Young Readers. Oh, and pictures by Pierre Brett. Roar of a Snore. The sky was dark. The stars were bright. Each Huffle fast asleep at night. Very quiet and dark. Except for Jack. Eyes open wide. He tossed and turned. He groaned. He sighed. Jack heard a noise that rocked the floor. He heard a noise that shook the door. Jack heard... what's this noise? A snore! A mighty snore. A clamorous snore. A thundering, ear-splitting roar of a snore. Oh no! Old Hound Dog Blue was sound asleep. He woofed and snuffled at Jack's feet. Wake up, Old Blue, and stop that snore. Old Blue woke up. Was it Old Blue? The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack went searching. Across the hall slept Mama Queen. Her huffs and puffs made curlers spin. Wake up, Mama Queen, and stop the snore. Mama Queen woke up. Was it her? No, the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Queen went searching. Sweet baby Sue slept one door down. Her high-pitched snore made whistling sounds. Wake up, Baby Sue, and stop that snore. Baby Sue woke up. Was it Baby Sue? The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue went searching. Way down the stairs, in his favorite chair, snored Papa Ben, like a grumbly bear. Oh, he could be the one. Wake up, Papa Ben, and stop the snore. Papa Ben woke up. Oh no, the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben went searching. In the old porch swing slept the Huffle twins. Josie Joe wheezed out. Jenny Lynn wheezed in. Wake up, you two, and stop that snore. The twins woke up. The snore still roared. Oh no, who could it be? So Blue and Jack and Mama Green and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn went searching. They found their barn filled up with snores. Oh, the animals might be the one. The sheep, the goat, the cow, and more. Wake up, you critters, and stop those snores. The critters woke up. I think now it's going to be quiet. Don't you think so? The snore still roars. Oh no. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens went searching. Up to the loft the Huffles climbed to search together one more time. They searched the hay with drowsy eyes, and there they found a snore surprise! One lost kitten in the hay, snoring all his cares away. No way! Was it this little kitten? I'll be hornswoggled, Jack Huffle cried. His snore's 3,000 times his size. Wake up, little cat, and stop that He needs his rest. He looks done in. He's traveled far across our field, said Papa Ben. He needs a meal. He needs a home, said Baby Sue. Woof, woof, agreed Old Hound Dog Blue. All hopeful eyes were fixed on Jack. Jack sighed, then grinned and looked right back. He's found a home. It's our haystack. So Jack and Blue and Mama Green and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie, Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens joined Little Cat and snuggled in. Each hoffle added snuffles, huffs, wheezes, whistles, grumbles, puffs. One giant snore sailed through the night. At last, the hoffles all slept tight. But down the road, eyes open wide, Molly Olsen tossed and sighed. Why? She heard a snore. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book as much as I did, and remember, stay healthy and safe. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. I'll see you again next time. Bye.